AI does not wake up smart. It learns the same way that you and I do, by looking at a ton of examples and information and using that to make a prediction, notice a pattern, and identify what's going to happen next. Think of AI like a child who's learning to finish your sentences. You share a handful of jokes, all of a sudden you're saying knock knock, and they're saying who's there every single time that you say it. AI works the same way. It's using millions of conversations, websites, documents, and is using that information to, again, identify patterns and predicts what's going to happen next, or predicts the missing information that you're seeking from it. That's it. It's not understanding. It's not thinking. It's just filling in the missing information and matching those patterns. You see, AI is trained on massive data sets, essentially everything. So think social media, research papers, books, everything that you can think of. And during that training, it learns probabilities. And then it uses probabilities to think, what word is most likely to come next? What information is missing from this conversation? Or what response fits this kind of question? This process is called machine learning. And the model, it gets smarter the more quality data that it receives. But it doesn't quite understand or remember things the way that you and I would. It's really just playing the odds. As a small business owner, here's why this matters. Think of it like coaching. You want to guide it and you want to give it the right context so that it performs at a higher level for you. So clear instructions, and the more information that you give it, right information that you give it, the more precise it'll be for you, the more accurate it will be for you. Let's say you want AI to write a follow-up email for you, for example. If you just say, write a follow-up, yeah, it's going to get you a little bit further and probably put something together for you. But I wrote something for you as an example, showing you the way that I would tell ChatGPT. If you give it more context, more direction, give it a role, then it's going to perform at a much higher level for you. You're an expert copywriter. Write a short follow-up email to a customer who downloaded our guide yesterday. The tone should be casual, but professional. And the goal is to invite them to book a call with our company. You'll notice that I gave it a role first. I said, you're an expert copywriter. Then I told it, write a short follow-up email to a customer who downloaded our guide yesterday. That's giving it more context. And then I'm also asking it how it should be speaking. The tone should be casual, but professional. And then I also wanted to understand the goal. Why are we writing this? The goal is to invite them to book a call. So I went ahead and jumped into ChatGPT because I want to show you the difference and how you prompt it, the impact that it can have on your business, right? So I have two windows open here. I have one that says, just tells it, write me a follow-up email. And then I have another one here that says the line that I just read you. Let's see what happens. Let's go with the first one first. So write me a follow-up email. Sure. Well, that's interesting, right? It's already asking me questions because that's just not enough. Now, if you come in more efficient with a written prompt like this, let's see what happens. Subject line. Got a chance to check out the guide? Hi, first name. Just wanted to follow up really quick. Hope you had a chance to dig into the guide you downloaded yesterday. If you're looking to take the next step or just want to bounce around a few ideas, I'd love to chat. You can grab a spot on my calendar here. No pressure. Just a quick call to see if there's any way we can help. Talk soon. Your name, title, company. With the first response, it couldn't even give me a response. It couldn't even write up an email for me because it needs more context. It's too much of a generic request. But as you can see, there is a more efficient way to do it. If you prompt it, it'll give you a much more efficient response. And so imagine having several templates like this ready to go for all types of email conversations that you typically have. So now you see, you've given it a role, you've given it context, you've given it a goal. And just like good coaching, because of the better prompt, you got a better prediction. You got a better result from your AI intern, you can say. Does that make sense? So AI doesn't think, it predicts. And if you understand that, you're able to give it better context and prompt it in a better way so that it gives you stronger results, stronger predictions. In the next video, I'll show you how AI is saving business owners time and making them money right now.